Good morning, everyone. So today we will conduct the experiments on Piezo Alarm in Arduino Uno, the simulation. So this is our lab number 8. So the objective of this experiment is to introduce an idea of using an Arduino Uno and Tinkercad software in simulating a Piezo alarm. So the instruction needs to be followed is to go on this link. And from here, should be on your account. So select circuits, create new circuit. So creating a new circuit under components, basic. So let's select Arduino Uno, paste it on the workspace, and then one breadboard on top. So these are the basic components that we need. Then we have the Piezo. Let's make it on top. Then use your middle mouse button to zoom in and zoom out the components like this. And we have one resistor to be inserted on the breadboard. So let's insert one resistor here. Let's assign 100 ohms the resistance. Now we have an option here to rotate the components. Just select the resistor here and on the top left button here. So this just press this to rotate. And you can place or move your component inside the breadboard. So from here, for example, you want to place your resistor here. And let's do the basic wiring. So from the 5 volts in your Arduino Uno, connect it to positive, change it into red color, the wiring, and then one on the ground, connected to the negative, and change it into black. So as well as on the other side, we can connect this together. So the positive here, positive on top. So this is on red colors, it's just an extension. So the negative into the negative. So make it black. So if you want to move the wire, just double click and you can move it somewhere. So just double click. So just to see the connection here. So let's do it also on the other side. So let's move some wire here, double click and move away. Okay. So from here, so the positive here should be connected on the negative. So positive to negative. So let's make it green so that we can distinguish the wiring. And one negative here on the side of the resistor here. And one leg of the resistor should be connected on the Arduino board, which is D13 or this output. And let's try to make a coding for this circuit. So select code, pull this down, select text, select continue. So these are the code of the Arduino. So this is just basic programming. So just delete this portion here and let's type our code. So type on, open parenthesis, digital output pin, space, 200, comma. So this is the pitch of our piezo. Then 100, close parenthesis, and semicolon. So let's add some delay, open parenthesis. So let's say 200, close parenthesis, semicolon. So let's test this code for now. So you can just start the simulation. Okay, so as you can hear, yes, you can hear, you are hearing the sound. So it means your coding is correct. So let's change the sound and add more tone and delay. So you can just press enter here, select this code. You can just right click, copy. From here, press one tab and right click paste. So let's change, for example, like let's make it 500, 200. Let's make it 500. So let's try it. This one will work. Okay. So there's a sound produced. So it will serve just like an alarm. Okay. It's like an alarm. So from this point, you can stop your simulation. So you can just screenshot the screen or copy the screen and paste it on your report. Okay, so this include the components and the coding in Arduino. So this ends the experiment. So very basic for experiment number 8.